Welcome back to B-Stride DIY. I'm going to show you top clearance and tool deals for the week here at Lowe's. So this is an Ego. This is the brand here apparently. You get a free battery with a choice of these tools, the blower or the trimmer here. They're $2.99. I haven't seen this brand before. Let me know in the comments if you've seen it or what you think about it. So this is the 615 CFM cordless blower. And it says all their batteries fit all their tools. So this is coming in at $2.19. And then the trimmer is the same. It's $2.19 as well. So this is a 15-inch cordless string trimmer with power load. And I guess this is a new item at Lowe's, or a new brand. I haven't seen it. And down here at the bottom, it's going to show all what it has here. The trimmer, charger, the battery, and then some of the string. Coming in at 50% off clearance is this select Free Country shirt and fall wear. This shirt says wanted. This is from Fintech. I think it has the UV block as well. And this is a nice and warm Free Country plaid shirt here. So 50% off of $34. You're going to half off of that. And then for this wanted shirt here, it's going to be half off of $22.99. And right around the side here, they have some more items. Some more kind of warm shirts you can buy if you want or get for Christmas next year for someone. They had these like, I guess they're a base where you can put underneath the flannel as well. This is Spectracide Lawn Care for $2. It looks like it was $8. 25% more weed stop for lawns. And then this is an umbrella if you're getting ready for spring here. Was $49, is now at $22. Apparently the savings here is only on this color. Of course, it may be different at your store. You may not have the sale, but this is from their Style brand. It's fade and UV resistant. And these are what the umbrellas look like. Comes in this carrying case here, which is nice. And the cool thing underneath, they have a sale on the base as well. So there's a white base. It was $44. It's $11.22 here. And it's a white base, 22 pounds, so it's nice and sturdy from the same brand. So you can leave Lowe's here with the base and the umbrella for a really good deal here. This is a char grill, Super Pro char grill. And this is what it looks like, $179. It was $199. And it says 24 burgers, 1 year limited warranty on that item. And they've still got the Igloo coolers here with their good deal on it. It's was $49, it's now $34, and that's a 16-quart cooler. So not huge, but should keep the food pretty cool. And next up, that same brand, the Ego, I don't know if I'm saying it right. Let me know if I am. It says you buy this lawnmower and you get a free 5 amp hour battery. This one's $549, it was $649. And this said exceeds the power of gas. I don't know about that, but who knows? I've never tried one of these. So it's just saying the price was $649 here, and these are the specs. It's saying 6-hour runtime, and then on this one it was $749, it's $599, and that has a 60-minute charge on that one. I think I said 6 hour on the previous one. And that's Toro. I love my Toro, but they didn't have any deals on it today. This is Kobalt, $3.99. It was $4.99. Battery and charger are included. This is a 20-inch reach on this mower here. I like the look of this mower. I don't know, it just looks pretty cool. And these are the other Kobalt mowers. It says 20-inch dual battery, self-propelled mower kit, 48 total volts. So I'm assuming it comes with 2 batteries, but it takes 2 batteries to run it. Just keep that in mind. So this is that same Ego brand. Buy this and you get a free battery. This is the this is the blower here, and that's $329. Although it's now $299. It was $329. And that's what it looks like in the box here. Scrub Dad or Scrub Daddy. It's 6 of the Scrub Daddies in the caddy here. And this is what it looks like. So you're getting a 6-pack for over half off there. Was $19, is now $9. You've got some Old English here for $1 off. It's always good to have some of that. And stay tuned, the last third of the video, guys, is going to be tools. You don't want to miss that. So this was $69. It's now $17. It's a log holder set with the tools. It looks pretty nice. It's a black finish, and it does come with the tool set and the log rack. I kind of wanted to make sure it wasn't just the tools. And now we've arrived at the back aisle here. These are the great values, up to 75% off. And look here, guys, this is a different Lowe's than the one I went to last time. I really like how they sectioned out the different miscellaneous items like plumbing, hardware, electrical, seasonal, tools, different items like that here. This is the seasonal. Looks like it's squeegee replacement rubber. It's just the kind of things you wouldn't think you need. It almost has the feel of like going to a yard sale. And the prices may not be as good, but they're still better than what you may find other places. You got some wire cutters here. And these are like seasonal flags you'd put in your yard for like $1. You know, if you want to get one of these and stock up. These are some plumbing end caps, it looks like, and converter. Just some different items here. So these are some paint, random items, plumbing. And these are some, looks like cup coolers, or I guess if you're at the beach or something, to keep your drink cool or warm, whichever one you do. And these are some Stanley lids here for $7.99. It's a savings of about $3 in case you lose a lid or a straw. They had the straws next to them as well, a pack of the straws for $7. These look like some terracotta pots, cheaper than you'd find outside. These are some of the solar lamps that they have that you'd put out in your front yard. Looks like one can change colors, and it's like a, let's see here. This is a $59, was $169. This is an infrared wall heater. It says no electricity required. Thermostat control, and it says dual fuel options, 12,000 BTUs. That's a good deal. Over half off there. And this is a Kraus standard 2-hole kitchen sink. Undermount for $169. It was $329. So you can find some items like this. And this is a toilet bowl seat for $697. They did have some light and fan combos as well up here. It didn't show what the price was before though, so that's the only thing with these, but I'm assuming they're cheaper than what they were before. These are some white utensil trays for $9 and $11. Looks like they were around $14 before. But if you're moving into a new apartment or home, these are some things that may be a good time to just restart and buy some new ones of those. This is a beverage bin you could put in your fridge. About a $2 savings, nothing crazy there. This is a berry bin. Was $12, now $9. If you want to keep your berries not molding, you can put them in that. Now this is a good deal. It was $4 and now it's $157 for over $4. This is just some tape. You could just put this stuff away in, you know, a Christmas box or something like that. It's a 3-pack roll of tape. And for $69, it was $99. This is a pendant light with the kind of the dusted shaded top there. The brand is Kyoto. I think I'm saying that right. It's one light here. They had a bunch of markdowns and clearance on the lights in the light section here. This is a 3-light chandelier here for $127. Was $149. You can usually find these deals kind of year-round, just depending on what they're trying to make room for and what they're not really going to carry anymore. But here are the pendant lights. Now they had a ton of the Project Source ceiling flush mount pendant lights here. As you can see, $14, $16, was $24. This is the opal flush light, and some more Project Source ones up top here. Was $22 and $19, now is $13 and $14. They're recommending using LED lights with these. And just reminding you, if you're going to buy a lot of these, you buy 3 or more, you usually get $1 off, even if they're not on sale. That's the bulk savings deal. And just kind of look over here. Look at all these yellow tagged items here. So you can see they're kind of, at least on the Project Source, trying to sell these. And this is a Craftsman LED work light for $34. It's 3,000 lumens, 1-year warranty, tripod compatible, and it's water resistant as well. It was $44, so you're getting about a $10 savings on that one. The one next to it's a little bit smaller and less powerful. It's about 2,000 lumens for $32, and that's a 1-year warranty as well. All right, now moving on to the tools. Titanium drill bit set here for $24. It's a 21-piece set. I've got one of these. It's pretty nice. I probably should buy a new one because I'm missing different drill bits, but I'm being stubborn, I guess. This is what it looks like here. Split point, titanium nitride coated. And next up, we've got this $27, was $34, 17 compartment wall mounted tool and accessory case from Kobalt. They had a few of these, but we're marking them down and had a limited lifetime warranty on these. Now check this out. You get 5% off of this because it says destroyed packaging, no used or missing pieces, only packaging problems. And they're just saying 5% off and they have a number. I mean, if you wanted, you could look to the one next to it and just glance at it. So that's going to be $24, 5% off that. Just keep an eye out for just little notes around the store. Next up, we've got the 6-tool combo kit from DeWalt. $4.99, it was $5.59. And then there's a $50 savings here at $3.49 for the 4-tool combo kit. And then the 2-tool combo kit with DeWalt Power Stack, that's going to be a $70 savings at $2.29. I thought this one was a good deal. This is $34 for this 110-piece bit set. And all these will stack on each other here, and they're just separate. You could mark them to kind of remember which one is which, but you've got the drill bits. Now this is buy one of your choice of the select DeWalt 20-volt Max XR tools and get a free 2-pack of batteries. So it's not just one battery, you're getting 2. And this is what these look like. And that even that tool, the driver's on sale for $99. So you're getting that tool for, you know, cheaper, and then you're getting the 2 batteries as well. Or the 2 power stack batteries. This is Metabo HPT. They're saying buy one Metabo HPT multi-volt 36 battery and charger and get a free circular saw or the multi-volt bare tool circular saw. And these are all the tools they had out here. They had the job site speaker, blower, and of course the circular saw. Now this is the deal here. You buy one of these tools and you can see all the tools there, the impact wrench, hammer drill, speed router, circular saw, and then you're going to get one of the 20-volt Max DeWalt Power Stack 2-pack of batteries free. That's a $179 value. So it's a pretty good deal. I'm liking Kobalt more here. So this is for $229, was $299, I believe. You're getting the 3-tool combo kit, hammer drill, impact driver, and work light, as well as case and 2 batteries. And then for $149, the 2-tool combo kit was $199. And scooting on down here, you get the angle grinder cutoff tool for $99, was $129. And that's what that looks like here. And this is the reciprocating saw for $79, was $99. So $20 savings on the 24-volt tool there. You've got the compact router, was $119, is now $99 with a 5-year warranty from Kobalt here. This is what it looks like. Nice tool here. They've got some more combo kits. You get the 1/4-inch impact driver kit for $99. That's $50 off. And you get all these items here, the 2 batteries, charger, and the tool as well. I don't see where it says the case. I would assume you get the case. I just don't see it. Maybe I'm missing it. And this is the 3/8 of an inch drill driver kit. Same deal, it's just the 3/8 of an inch. $14, you're saving a few dollars here on a 10-piece screwdriver set from Kobalt. And this is what it looks like here. They've been selling this one since Christmas or Black Friday, I believe. I hope you found that useful. I hope you found some good deals there. And I don't know if you can see back there, but they had a little hot dog stand outside of Lowe's. Let me know if you have one of those at your Lowe's. Have a great day, guys.